Hey, right now, Skillibeng, I say intence come like a little pussycat, because it might look lyrical dispute, and when the man them drop lyrical argument upon him run and run behind alkaline. And alkaline know him love forget strength of a young artist. When him see young artists bust out and hype, him like run to them with lyrical confrontation. You see what I deal with? Forget some hype, you know what I mean, on him career. But it look like intence send him out for dead, because it look like him want Skilly for put carbine up him head. I bet him beg like a blind when Skilly line up him head. Eh? What? At the world, it's not a plan. A franchise, the chosen one. The 10-star general. You don't know what go already when I come for represent. Full effect thing, man. You know what go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me, no, man. I'm the people's champion. How you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, watch this now, man. I'm the most electrifying man for YouTube entertainment business. What? So right about now, Gaza Nation. See them at Disney World patient. Me not show that long time. Remember, nobody no trouble them, and them get up, and I show this song, after the big, world boss, and here me I say, Sikaraim attack them first, them hide. Savage attack them after, them hide. The man gone out for IG a throw a word for Skillibeng. The man attack him hide. Savage attack him back. Again, him hide. Sikaraim attack him again, and him still a hide. Him send out alkaline. So what do you think, Gaza Nation? The only thing when me see now see Skillibeng right, because alkaline claim him a question the man vocabulary. Here we go on. I think I saw a poody cat. I did saw a poody cat. Must have blood clot pussy cat here look argument and a run and a hide all over the place. You know what I mean? Crawl out of your shell and defend yourself with a mic and a bag of lyrics or argument. Now that you look for, now that you run down. Eh? And where alkaline him a run go? Where you run go? I run for come ride pan Skilly career now. Eh? And that you want to do? You want to come run and game some momentum now off of Skillibeng? Go look for Massacre or Tamale. What wrong with you? And leave the youth them alone. But you run and I look. At something you look, the man not interested. The man no love man. But you running. You running 200 miles per hour go. Eh? From your career, from your birth in a music, you run from Tamale until now. And you now address up that. But you come and chat about Skilly. Go on, what's wrong with you? Oh, go on. Everything good? Yeah, go on.
Hummingbird.
Adapter bird, man.
That's the word. The one with sticker and come back.
Come in and no, you have to look out. You see, adapter bird different from hummingbird, Hummingbird and the look out to fly fast.
Yeah, he's natural.
Fast, and it just fly.
The Dr. Bird.
Adapter bird, our long one.
Yeah, Dr. Sweet going there.
You see what I say, Gaza Nation? No form a lollipop thing. We don't deal with no gimmicks thing about ya. The man a look lyrical dispute. And when man drop big argument off him, what you want, brother? Watch. When man drop big argument off him, he will run. And a car and a run behind alkaline. And watch him now, like suck people current and people energy and run and come. Like him is a vacuum. Or him a piece of sponge will suck up everything. Yo, go on. Go look for Tamilia and Massacre. You know what I mean? Make that look a boy that defend himself. Him not run him out. Him not say him tough. Eh? Him not say him tough. Look how long dancehall want to see. I think like you and a Massacre, or you and a Tamili, and you keep a run all over the place, and you jumping at some shit where they have a concern because I look a pussycat there run up and down behind you. You know what I mean? It was no match skill, you know, hardcore way, no gimmicks business, me I talk about real thing I make them know. You know when I represent them, you know, a full effect thing, you know, no gimmicks thing. Yeah, man. You know, we not laugh with it, we will lower up the big thing, them and drop necessary equipment. You know, a loud explosion about that. Every time. No farmer gimmicks not in our bars and nation. Go not chat about. Eh? And me hear some boy I run up them mouth and I run and I chat about oh man, a boots. Oh man, I go hard for friend killer and all them stupidness there. Yo, I ask you something, you know. My sister, I just fantasy you don't believe in, you know. Show me a which friend the man kill. And before you come even and try for hold an argument with me, you know what I mean? Make sure when you come show me which man you come with the proof to, you hear me? And you come to me, come walk mouth, you look a chatty mouth, where you like run and follow behind people. Where you hear me come, I not deal with follow back. You see me? A real thing I deal with. I don't know, lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? Yeah. A real way I represent. Because I'm a real youth. You see me, I'm a concrete stepper. And when I step anywhere at all shaky, it broke off, I tell you that. I way around on the dead end, and any boy can walk on one, so I gimmicks business. No farmer laughing thing in it. I have a boy in Brooklyn who watch my video, no, so I don't have no gimmicks thing I talk about. And any boy come around a dead end, walk come around. It's a dead end, one way in, one way out. Unless you take the alley. And any boy I say, walk come around and then start around on the dead end. I sound the big thing them and I drop necessary equipment because you know me a concrete step I'm telling you already. So anywhere at all my step from it shaky, it broke off. You know what I mean? So me I say again, the man run from Sikarine. Then him run from Savage. See? Then him run from Skillibeng, who him go out pan IG and throw out pan. Then him run from Savage again. Run from Sikarine again and I run behind Alkaline. And all me can hear Skillibeng I say right now, I think I saw a poody cat. I did saw a poody cat run up and down like a cloud. You know what I mean? So anytime you come with not this song and not this no man, we supposed to take you serious. After all these years, me hear all these lollipop blogger a violate popcorn but him a run and him a sprint and him a this. So what them call you? What them call you? Oh, you're not a runner. Younger mischief maker. Eh? You're not a runner, you're not younger mischief maker. No, Skillibeng say you's a pussycat. You know what I mean? Or you get trouble and run up and down. You know what I mean? You know, big bad with him. Respect you, brother.
Yes, man.
You see what I say?
I'm coming back.
Yeah, you have the mic and big with him and how much studio. And you look a lollipop friend them behind you. Go drop big song. make the man them get for hang you. You see what I deal with? You run behind fish line. And him a run out. Him a run out. Like nobody see him. How? Nobody not hear nothing about you. So you want to use that to be controversial because you know the big news out there, Vibes Cartel thing, the Privy Council. No, you want somebody to talk about you. You know no music or drop, no nothing like that. You run out, and I go like you want. Question the man vocabulary. Eh? You run out now. You want somebody to talk about you. You know how we represent already, you know. I really we represent, you know. Because I don't care, you know. Oh, you run out for IG and we not chat up with the mouth and I write up this and that, you know. That still, nah, go stop the people them from making know, you know, each and every time, you know. So you respond to the Batty Wash University, you know. It can't come off of your name, you know. It's staying, you know, forever, you know. So when you talk about controversy, you know, make sure you try to clean up that little mess there, you know. That's what I deal with. You know, enough for you. Squash man no bury already. That not enough for you. And where you want another for brother, where you want Skillibeng to do the same thing, you can't tired. Eh? And the general, you know, the 10-star one I represent. I'm telling you already. Each and every time I represent Gaza Nation, a loud explosion in the street. So make sure you don't share the thing Gaza Nation. You see what I deal with? Make we explode them brain when time them watch what go on. Because them know, you know, we not deal with nothing about the truth. And we not run down the hype. It only last year a while. And the general, the 10-star one. Watch. Watch.